Give yourself an edgy boot with a bit of Western flair in the Josea boots by Dirty Laundry. You'll adore this synthetic upper that has a faux leather appearance, giving you a little bit of a chic style. You'll love that the embroidery is super subtle but highlights some lightning bolt details as well as some extra embroidery on the vamp. You'll get a nice pointed toe and love the fact that you'll have 2 pull tabs at the top of this shaft to allow you to easily slip into or out of this boot. There is a really beautiful mid-calf design to this shoe, and you'll find that the inside is lined with a super soft material. The insole gives you some extra comfort with its cushion, and you'll love the subtle 1.5-inch boost of height that you'll get from this low block heel. The outsole is super durable and has lots of texture along the toes and the heel cap to give you added grip as you strut along.